Jiji'ye. Easy way. Facilement, بسهولة. Talk, read, write in English. Parle, lire et écrire en anglais. تحدث واقرأ واكتب بالإنجليزية. So fast, si rapidement. وبسرعة. Learn with Jiji'ye is the best way to learn. So, be with us and subscribe.
The unexpected job offer. Sophie had been working at her current company for 3 years when she received an email from another company. It was a job offer for a higher position with better pay. At first, she felt excited, but then she began to feel uncertain. Her current job was comfortable and she liked her colleagues. However, the new job offered opportunities for growth and international travel. Sophie decided to carefully consider the pros and cons before making a decision. She talked to her monitor, who advised her to think about her long-term goals. After several days of reflections, Sophie realized that she wanted to challenge herself and grow professionally. In the end, she accepted the offer. Saying goodbye to her old team was emotional. But Sophie felt confident she had made the right choice. Sometimes, taking a risk can lead to great rewards. Vocabulary: offer, position, pay, uncertain, opportunities, pros and cons, reflection, monitor, challenge, reward. Idioms: take a leap of faith, to trust yourself and take a risk without knowing the outcome. Take a leap of faith. Better late than never. It means it's better to do something later than not to do it at all. Phrasal verbs: think over, to carefully consider something before deciding. Turn down, to reject or refuse an offer. Questions: how long had Sophie been working at her company? What did the email offer? Why was Sophie uncertain? Who did she talk to for advice? What decision did Sophie make? How did she feel after accepting the job? In the end, would you accept a new job if it meant leaving your comfort zone? Write your answer in English. See you later in another video.